You want to learn English on your own, but you are not sure where to start, what to do, or how much time to spend. In this video, I will guide you step by step with a free daily plan that focuses on grammar, vocabulary, and the 4 essential skills. But the first thing you need to do is take a quick English test to see where you are. You can find free tests online or even on YouTube. Once you know your level, you will have a better idea of what to focus on. One simple notebook is all it takes to start your English journey. Divide it into 3 main sections: listening, reading, and writing. And try to get some sticky notes. They are great for writing new words and help you remember them easily. As for speaking, it's something you practice out loud, so you don't really need a notebook. But if you want, you can add a small speaking section to write down your mistakes or new phrases you want to use. Give yourself 2 hours a day for learning English. In those 2 hours, spend around 30 minutes on each skill. Give yourself 1 day off each week, a free day to rest and enjoy English in a fun way, like chatting with friends or playing a game in English. And if you are wondering how long it takes to become fluent, the truth is, it depends. Every person learns differently, but what really matters is consistency. 2 hours a day consistently will absolutely improve your English, whether in 6 months, 1 year, or 2 years. Reading is an important skill for learning English, and one of the best ways to begin is by building your vocabulary. Start by writing down 10 to 15 new words every day and make sure to memorize them. Begin with basic topics like food, family, numbers, and colors. There are many YouTube channels and platforms that share useful vocabulary lists you can write down and learn from. And you can also try reading short simplified novels. As you read, highlight new words, write them down, and make time to memorize them. There are also special vocabulary books made to help learners. For example, this English-Arabic one is perfect for Arabic speakers, and you can find similar books in many other languages that match your native language. If you stay consistent and keep learning new words daily, you will build a rich vocabulary that makes reading, understanding, and even speaking English much easier over time. When it comes to grammar, a lot of people say beginners should just focus on listening and ignore the rules, but I believe that's a big mistake. Understanding how the language works is essential if you want to build correct sentences. So, spend around 30 minutes a day learning grammar. You can find many helpful YouTube channels and apps that will support you in your learning journey. Start with the basics, especially tenses. Begin with present simple, past simple, and future simple. These are the foundations of most conversations. Also, start learning new verbs every day, both regular and irregular verbs. Regular verbs are easy because they follow simple patterns. For example, in the present we say I work, in the past it becomes I worked. We just add ed at the end. But irregular verbs don't follow these rules. They change completely. For example, in the present we say I go, but in the past it becomes I went. And there is a list of the 100 most common irregular verbs in English. If you memorize them well, you will improve both your grammar and speaking skills. Listening is one of the most important skills for learning any language. It helps you understand how people actually speak, how words sound, and how sentences flow in real conversations. So, try to spend at least 30 minutes a day listening to English, and if you can, I really advise you to go for more. An hour, maybe even 2. Because the more you listen, the more you will improve, not just your vocabulary, but also your speaking skills and your accent. So listen to English as much as you can, watch YouTube videos, listen to audiobooks while you're cooking or cleaning, or play a podcast made for English learners. Just make English part of your daily routine. Try to follow good English content and listen to native speakers as much as you can. That's how you will start improving your listening skills. And even if you are busy, you can still listen to English podcasts in the car on your way home or even on the bus. Just play something in English and let it run in the background. When we talk about listening, we also have to talk about speaking. And one of the best ways to connect the two is shadowing. After you listen to something in English, try repeating the sentence just like the speaker. This will really help you improve your speaking skills. Also, try recording yourself when you speak. Then listen to your recording, notice your mistakes, and work on them. Or try my favorite method, the mirror practice. Just look at yourself in the mirror and start speaking in English. This method doesn't just improve your English, it also builds your confidence and helps your communication skills. Talk to the mirror about your dreams, your goals, anything. Even 30 minutes a day can help you improve your English. And if you have time, do more than 30 minutes, because the more you speak, the more you will improve. And if you have friends who speak English, try to practice with them too. Whenever you learn something new in English, try to write it down. Make 30 minutes in your day for writing. Start with small sentences, then move on to short paragraphs. After that, try journaling. Journaling is one of the best ways to make writing a daily habit. It helps you think in English, and over time, you will write faster and more naturally. I want to say, try to make English part of your lifestyle. Not just something you study like school subject. Make it part of your day. Practice a little every day, and with time you will improve. Don't stress about the results. Don't overthink how long it will take or how much time you need to be fluent. Just focus on what you're doing right now. The results will come naturally. So, you have everything it takes to learn English. Start today and stay consistent. I can't wait to see your progress. Thank you for being here. See you next time, inshallah.